SRPT stock analysis and SRPT stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. And I'm telling you this because, you know, this is my genuine opinion on this. And also, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos and actually documented them all. And guess what? It's taken me 5 years. So this is where we are. It's not a bullish market for me per se, right? Like, I mean, I'm being very clear about that. Actually, it's quite bearish. Like, when I look at SRPT, I'm not like, guys, it's about to pump. It's quite the opposite. And I've been just doubling down on that. Like, unless I see a full candle close or some big catalyst or something crazy is going on, I'm not looking to buy SRPT. And that's for the most current price action for me. Like, this is just the range that we're currently in. So yeah, if I do not see any sort of that shift, there's just no way that I'm going to look to take it further down. I'm just saying. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Of course, I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. It's free.